Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix rates limits exceeded in ElevenLabs. So if you see rates limits exceeded in ElevenLabs, it means you're sending too many requests in a short time, especially when using the API. So this happens most often when generating audio repeatedly very fast, running scripts with loops, and using automation tools, and your plan has a low request per minute limit. So to fix that issue, you will need us first to know why this happens. So in ElevenLabs, every plan has a request per minute, it's a PM limit, and characters per request limits, that's it, and also concurrent request limits. So if you exceed any of these, you get rates limits exceeded or 429 error. So at first you will need to wait 30 to 60 seconds. Most rates limits resets quickly, and if you're using the website, just stop generating and wait 1 minute, for example, or 2 minutes, then try again, and often that's enough. The second fix is to reduce the concurrent request. So if you're running multiple scripts using threads, generating multiple voices at once, you can just reduce to one request at a time, for example. And instead of generating 20, for example, instantly, or go in with 20 generations instantly, just do 5 and wait 30 seconds, then 5 and wait 30 seconds, then 5, for example, and batch your workflow. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.